Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm doing a video on my friend Gavin's mini bike. He has a big old exhaust and an air filter. You can hear it back there, it's pretty loud. So he said it's been spitting flames lately. So I'm gonna be videoing him doing that. So yeah, he's right over there, he's walking it down here. But yeah, so he's revving it right now. He actually got the cops called on him and a couple of his buddies for noise complaint. So that's pretty funny. But so yeah, he's gonna be. Oh, there's a car. He's gonna be riding that up and down the road, and I don't know what he's doing. But so he's got a loud exhaust, and he's got an air filter, which kind of looks dumb on it. But it's a Coleman CT100, 100 cc's, and it's cool. It's kind of fast, but it's pretty much stock other than the air filter and the exhaust. So it's pretty cool. He's got a little phone stand for his phone, and he's got brakes. He doesn't have a front brake, but he has a rear brake, and he's got some really thick tires on it. But yeah, so he's gonna be riding that now, and I'll pick you guys up when he gets on it, because I think he's talking to somebody right now. But yeah, I'm gonna pick you guys up. Bye, y'all. There he is, boys. What you doing? Hold on, let me get a ear raper. Okay, go get him. Gee, boys, that thing's loud, ain't it? He's now only allowed to ride in front of his house because the cops got called and they said they'd confiscate the bike if he got caught again. But yeah, there he is. Hear that backfire? You hear that? That's him scraping his chain. Golf cart coming. Golf cart looks cool. He's got the inner wheels. Some backfire. Pretty cool. Hey guys, I'm gonna end off the video here, and the reason I haven't been posting is because it's been really wet lately and I can't ride my four-wheeler, and if I was to go fishing, it'd probably be overflowing, so that's a reason. And I can't hunt because there's not really any seasons right now. But so that's one of the reasons. But if you guys have any video things to do, just put them in the comments and I'll do that, hopefully. And I'm gonna do a fishing rod review of my fishing rods. So yeah, if you guys haven't, like, subscribe, and I'll